Hey y'all, welcome back to a new video. It is your girl Neriah. For those that are new here, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are back with another beautiful glueless wig from Aligrace. Huge shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. You do get a lot of things in your package. As you see, you got your bonnet, your lace wig. You even get a heatless roller, which I thought was very unique. This is their 26-inch glueless unit. It does not have any combs inside. I actually really like the wig that way because it stops the wig from having any humps or lumps in the hair, and it just makes it really seamless. But it does come with that elastic band. The lace on this wig is super thin. I was very impressed, and they did a really good job at bleaching the knots. And as you can see, I just trimmed off a little bit of that lace so it can blend in a little bit better with my skin. Aligrace always come through. Y'all know me and Aligrace go hand in hand, so I always recommend their wigs. They're always consistent, always on point, and they just have really nice silky hair. That's always what I look for in these wigs. Like, I love a silky nice textured wig, so they always come through for that. Huge shout out to Aligrace once again for sponsoring today's video. Y'all know the drill. Okay, we're gonna sit back, listen to some music, finish the video out. I'm gonna come check in with y'all at the end of the video, and yeah, I hope you enjoy.
It's a Celtic knot, and it's, just something I've had for a long time. For the first time ever. I mean, when I walk down the street, I mean, people, you can hear them. They go, "Oh my God!" It's, I mean, that's never happened to me before. Celtic knot, and it's, just something I've had for a long time. For the first time ever. I mean, when I walk down the street, I mean, people, you can hear them. They go, "Oh my God!"
thank y'all so much for watching today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I really love this wig. I always find Aligrace to be consistent, so make sure you check out the description box below. All the information will be listed, as well as any other wig they may have. I really want a wig like this in red, so we'll see. But yes, girl. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all, and thank you for tuning in to a new video. As always, I'll see you next time.